Hi friends, today we are at 11916 McCabe Drive in Lorena, Texas. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's 2 stories with the primary downstairs, move-in ready with no backyard neighbors. I'm excited to show you. Let's go. Come on in. As we walk in, we have a great entry space. Off to the side over here is the entry to the garage and this huge living room with super tall ceilings with massive fan. We love a big couch. It shows how truly spacious this room is. We head over this way into what could be a dining space off of the living room or just another sitting space. And we'll head into the kitchen. In the kitchen we have granite countertops, updated sink, water spigot, so nice. Another dining space here and access to the backyard. We also have an automatic doggy door for our little friends, so we love a touch for the pups. Let's head down the hallway to the primary. Down here we do have a half bath, isolated laundry room, and the primary suite. A great size primary, carpeted in here, makes it so cozy. We have a wonderful walk-in closet in the primary suite. It's dual vanities, a separate tub and shower. Really beautiful, cozy space down here. Let's head upstairs to see the rest of the bedrooms. Come on up. So much space up in this second story. The first thing I want to point out is this lovely sitting space right outside of these 3 bedrooms. So you could put a couple comfy chairs right here, make a nice little reading nook or whatever you need. We've got a full bath over here, single vanity, tub shower combo, big spacious bedrooms, tons of closet space in all of these bedrooms. So you've got 2 right here at the top of the stairs and then 1 a little bit more isolated down at the end of the hallway. Let's head back downstairs and check out the amazing backyard. So excited to show you this backyard. Got a nice little covered patio space here, but the moneymaker is no backyard neighbors. In a big neighborhood like this is so exciting. So we're just a block away from the neighborhood park. Nobody behind you. Outside in this house is amazing. If you have any questions or you want to take a look, just let us know. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, rate, review. We'll see you on the next one.